This is e-CCPM, an electric complete chassis platform module. This will be the great solution for future PBVs. Hi everyone, it's your cheerful host Asia. This is already the 15th episode of MOBIDIC. Since our first episode, we've covered so many car technologies along the way. Can you believe it? Time flies so fast. Well, this is the last episode of MOBIDIC Season 1. And because it's the season finale, I've brought the latest technologies that covers what we've learned so far, the e-CCPM. Before we begin, we first need to look into what a module is for cars. It is a term that refers to a set of various components. Think of a big chunk of parts assembled in one piece, like this, and this, and this. Looking familiar? Well, these are the car modules. They are pre-assembled big auto parts to make the final assembly easier for the complete cars you see on the road. It's just like putting the big chunk of Lego blocks together. Let me quickly go through these three major automotive modules. First, let's talk about the front-end module. The front-end module, or FEM, includes the radiator, the headlamps, the bumper grille, and the engine cooling system, all assembled into one pack. Second, the cockpit module. The cockpit module is also known as the driver's seat module. It consists of the dashboard, gauges, the airbags, the AVN systems, and the steering column. This module is in charge of safety and entertainment experience for drivers. Last but not least, the chassis module. The chassis module consists of the suspension, brakes, and steering system. It acts as a foundation for the lower part of a car. The chassis module comes in two parts, the front and the rear. Together with the chassis frame, it forms a complete chassis module. These three modules together make up almost half of the entire car. So, it's easy to guess that module tech and quality is crucial for cars. Large auto parts companies like Hyundai MOBIS manufactures these modules. And as for MOBIS, they've been making and supplying these modules since 1999. Oh my God, that's a long time. They must be pro at this. So this basic knowledge and background of modules now leads us to today's topic, eCCPM, Electronic Complete Chassis Platform Module. As the name suggests, it's obviously a module, but think of it as a much more evolved form of the car modules I previously introduced. Evolved meaning it combines all the latest advanced technologies, and it's built for the upcoming future of mobility. Let's talk about details. eCCPM consists of every core component you need to drive a vehicle. On a customizable platform, it has a front and rear chassis module with a battery as an electric power bank. Most of all, it can mount an in-wheel motor system on each corner, which acts as 4 individual engines. With a little bit of exaggeration, eCCPM, this foundation of a car, can drive on its own with some few minor touches. Hard to believe? Well, watch this. Yeah, it's cool, right? So why make this? I mean, what's so good about this eCCPM? Well, here comes the good part. I said this is a customizable platform, and this means that it's universal. It can be applied to any kind of vehicle. Before, each car had its own different platform, so car makers had to build new platforms for every new car that's being developed. And that's a lot of work, by the way. But with eCCPM, with just a few minor adjustments, it will cover any future PBVs powered by electricity. By the way, have you heard of the word PBV? If you are a car enthusiast, you might be familiar with the term. It's an acronym for Purpose-Built Vehicle, which is an urban, eco-friendly mobility that is adaptable to the diverse lifestyles of a future society. Hey, you might be thinking, doesn't this mean that any electric car maker like Tesla can just put a car body on top of the eCCPM? Simple as that? Well, I asked this to my teachers here at MOBIS, and they told me that it's a little more complicated than that, but theoretically, yes, it's possible. Just remember that the main purpose for this universal platform module technology is to enhance the efficiency of the manufacturing process of automobile companies, which in turn will speed up technological advancement for future mobility. Well, that's it for today. And sadly, this will be the last episode of MOBIDIC Season 1. I hope you enjoyed learning numerous automotive tech terms with me. I certainly had a great time learning about this with y'all. Hyundai MOBIS will continue to pursue on being at the forefront of automobile technology innovation. So sit tight until MOBIDIC returns with more cool technologies. Till then, stay safe, drive safe, and don't forget me. Bye! Don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe and the notification button.